So I like serendipity. I'm so aces up your sleeve. But you no idea the jarring deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. This feeling flows both ways. Started hoping that you'd stay. That the nights when we made the saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to it. Never thought I'd call it. You gotta feel, 'cause I always do. Maybe I'm too crazy being yours and fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should simmer down and poke up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the coast. I try to kiss you, but I don't know if you feel the same as I do. But we could be together if you wanted to. This feeling flows both ways. Was I hoping that you'd stay? That the nights will let me live the same things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Never thought I'd call you. I feel I always do. Maybe I'm too busy just to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. This feeling flows both ways. Sort of hoping that you'd stay. That the nights will make the same things that you can't say.